What's up, friends, and welcome back to another video. It's July 13 and we're vlogging again because
we're going to a concert, but not me. I'm going to Kali's house, and my mom and dad will go to Dubai.
Yeah, so we're going to watch TJ Monterdes Ang Sariling Mundo concert, and here's our concert fit.
And mine is
Formal ang atake natin for today.
And guys, look!
Whoa, nice. Okay, go to Daddy na. Go there. We're now going to Kali's house because Luna is going to stay there muna while Mommy and Daddy are watching the concert.
Yeah, concert.
TJ Monterde and Casey Tandino is my hair like this.
Look
Behave
at
ka
my
doon,
t-shirt,
ha?
guys.
Behave ka doon, ha?
And look at Mommy's t-shirt.
The transparent plastic stopper inserted inside the wristband.
So, andito na kami sa loob ng Coca-Cola Arena and seated lahat as expected. Guys, look.
Galing yan. Lahat na nakikita nyo dito, ilaw, yung mga ganyan, yung stage, yung timing ng lahat ng yan, that's all because of the collaborative effort and everybody, and of course spearheaded by Direk John Prats. Palakpakan si Direk John. Isa sa pinakamasakit at isa sa pinakamahirap ay yung okay naman lahat tapos biglang na-fall out of life. Yung wala ka namang ginawa, tapos biglang, wala na lang, ayaw na lang. Wala na yung dating pagtingin, panghihinayang na lang ang meron. So, this song is about a couple or two people, a conversation nilang dalawa. It's a conversation between two people na nasa sitwasyon na yan. At ngayon papasok tayo sa sitwasyon nila at papakinggan natin sila. This one's called Huling Luha.
It's a matter when I say niya ay ako. At ang isa sa pinaka-importante, ang may-ari ng bank account niya ay ako rin. So, ang totoong winner sa tour na to ay sino? Hindi, pero sa totoong buhay ko, sobrang proud talaga ako. Kizzy pa utang. Ito naman si friend, utang agad. Mga taga-Dubai, mayayaman kayo eh. Ba't ako yung inuutangan? Kaya nga kami nandito. Iba talaga kayo dito sa Dubai, no? Iba talaga kayo. Oo. Tsaka kahit ang, birthday mo? So, happy birthday po. Ano pong pangalan niyo? Ha? Sol? Ba't ka po galit? Ikaw na nagpapabati, galit ka ba? Bisaya ka? Kaya ka galit? Kaya ka tunog galit? Mukhang handang-handa na ang Dubai! Oh my gosh! Ang bagyo ng tadhana ay dinadala ko sa init ng bisig mo, pati pa sabihin ang hindi mo ba?
So, kakauwi ko lang from Coca-Cola Arena and I just have to say, super pasabog ang TJ Monterde Sarili Nating Mundo concert. And habang fresh pa siya sa utak ko, let's break it down into 3 P's: production, performance, and puso. Number 1, production. Sobrang ganda ng lights, ang linaw ng sound. There's just something sa sound, sobrang crisp. And yung wristbands na umiilaw, binigay nila to for free, OMG. May at least 4 LED screens and the best part, may lyrics and translation yung mga Bisaya songs. Super na-appreciate ko yun. Yes, we all agree that TJ is insanely talented, but if the production doesn't deliver, sayang yung talent. But this concert is a solid one. So direct John Prats and the whole team, 10 out of 10. walang tapon from start to finish. Second P, performance. Grabe guys, busog na busog kami. Imagine, TJ sang almost non-stop. May mga kwento kasi siya in between. So he sang for almost 90 minutes, and then biglang pumasok si KZ, and then she sang for almost an hour. So imagine, parang dalawang concerts yung pinuntahan namin. Nakaka-touch kasi, alam mo yung perang binayad ng mga tao. Pinaghirapan namin yun eh. So, yung balik sa amin na sobrang sulit na concert, ang sarap sa feeling. Every dirham, worth it talaga. And kung tatanungan ako, kung manonood ulit ako, if babalik si TJ dito, definitely manonood ulit ako kasi super worth it ng concert niya. And lastly, puso. Ito talaga, ramdam na ramdam namin yung puso ni TJ habang nagper-perform. Given na magaling talaga siya eh, pero he went down to the audience para lang makiconnect with us. Kahit alam niyang hassle and risky, grabe, he really made us feel like we were part of sarili nating mundo na create niya. So, favorite part ko yung ending. Siyempre, expected na natin nakakantahin nila yung palagi, but guys, grabe, ang daming nag-propose. It was my first time seeing an actual person being proposed to. Grabe, nakakakilig. So, wow, I'm just so overwhelmed. 3 hours, one stage, thousands of us in Coca-Cola Arena sharing one beautiful world created by TJ and his team. Hindi lang siya concert, it really felt like home. And it's one of the best concerts actually na napanood ko. So to the team, maraming salamat. So kung wala ka pa ring ticket sa upcoming shows ni TJ, ano ang hinihintay mo, you deserve to experience this magic. What's your favorite part of the concert? Comment down below. Thanks, bye! TikTok. So dahil nag-comment na si TJ and repost pa niya yung reflection video ko, lalo akong hindi maka-move on from his SNM Dubai concert. So this is part 2 and let's break it down into 3 Ks. Kilig, kirot, and kilabot. Number 1, kilig. Ramdam na ramdam ko yung kilig energy sa buong Coca-Cola Arena last Sunday. I know hindi lahat ng nanood may jowa ha, pero dun ko napatunayan na ang kilig, walang gender. Mapalalaki, babae, ano man ang soji mo, lahat kami napangiti, kinilig at natuwa. Nakakahawa pala talaga yung kilig, no? Ang sarap sa puso. Number 2, kirot. Hindi naman ako heartbroken, pero dahil super effective ni TJ at saka yung mga skills at delivery niya, super mapanakit talaga. Masasaktan ka talaga, lalo na nung kinanta niya yung hanggang dito na lang. Oh my God, may mga umiiyak literal sa audience. Ganun ka-powerful yung moment. And number 3, kilabot. Last time ko na-feel yung ganitong kilabot was during the Coldplay Abu Dhabi concert last January. Pero posible rin palang maranasan natin yung ganitong kilabot sa mga OPM artists like TJ and KZ. Yung lights sa intro ni TJ, tapos yung lights sa huling El Bimbo ni KZ, literal na kilabot yung na-feel ko. Oh my God, nakaka-proud maging Pinoy. Eh, kaya pala natin makipagsabayan. I know matagal na si TJ and KZ together, pero yung love nila sa isa't isa, grabe, ramdam na ramdam namin sa buong concert. And the whole concept of sarili nating mundo, I really believe it came from their world, yung sariling mundo nilang dalawa, and we're lucky enough to be part of it. For 3 hours, grabe, nakalimutan ko yung totoong mundo natin as OFWs and napuno lang tayo with love, music, kilig, and happiness. Grabe, naka-move on pa ba ako sa concert na to? Kayo ba, naka-move on na? Damayan na naman ako sa comments.